human-centric approach. These personas will not only appeal to customers from a design perspective, but also the feature content in each persona has been configured keeping in mind choices of various customer types. The Punch will be available in 4 personas, and I will introduce each of them to you. The first of the personas is the Pure persona. It is designed for customers who appreciate minimalism and simplicity. There are many among us who prefer functionality without the complications. The Pure persona will offer the following features: uncompromised safety with dual airbags, ABS with EBD. A pure and classic SUV design with R15 wheels, cladding on doors, wheel arches and a silk cladding. You can drive according to your mood by switching to Eco and City Drive modes. Engine start-stop technology ensures to deliver the optimal fuel efficiency. 90-degree opening doors makes it easy to ingress and egress. The flat floor in the second row liberates maximum convenience and legroom for 5 passengers. The Pure persona will be available in the signature Orcus white and Daytona grey colors. The second persona is the Adventure persona, designed for customers with a streak of adventure and love for the outdoors. The persona is for those who love driving long distances and exploring beyond the obvious. It offers a distinctively expressive and rugged look for customers, and the signature tropical mist color inspired by the misty green of the tropical trees and the rich and diverse flora present across the vibrant landscapes in our country. Some of the key highlights of the Adventure persona are floating island 4-inch infotainment system to keep your spirits high in those long highway drives, steering mounted controls to ensure you never take your eyes off the road,
front and rear power windows for
ease of operation during multiple toll plazas, central remote locking with flip key for additional safety. The third persona is the Accomplished persona, which is designed for the city dweller who loves to make a style statement with every drive. With its distinct meteor bronze color, the persona is loaded with a host of features to complement the customer's active metro life. Some of the key highlights of the Accomplished persona are LED tail lamps to leave a lasting impact wherever he goes, a floating island 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system by Harman with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connecting to rule the city roads, a rear view camera that you never have to look back, natural voice recognition technology for you to stay in command and make your drive convenient as the system understands Indian accents. 3 words, the advanced addressing system for navigating to unknown destinations with 3 simple words. Passive entry and push button start to match the fast-paced life. A 6-way height adjustable driver's seat for that perfect driving position and a commanding view of the surroundings. And lastly, cruise control to enable customers to take a break while on the highway with ultimate safety. The fourth persona is the Creative persona, created for the digital natives who want to be always connected and prefer information at their fingertips. With the signature Calypso red and Tornado blue colors and a standard dual tone color theme, the Creative persona is loaded with features to complement the customer's techie personality. Projector headlamps with LED DRL make a grand entry. The R16 diamond cut alloy wheels make a bold statement. The 7-inch digital instrument cluster complements the digital lifestyle. Automatic headlamps and rain sensing wipers aid safety as well as convenience. Electrically adjustable outer mirrors with auto hold again add a lot of safety. Fully automatic temperature control keeps them cool during their long drive. The Creative persona offers a cool box for that added convenience during hot summers. A leather wrapped steering wheel and gear knob add that plush experience. Most importantly, the Creative persona comes with IRA, our connected car technology, as a customization option. That's not all. The Tata Punch takes the concept of personalization for customers one step ahead with a host of customization options. We appreciate that every customer is different and so are his requirements from the vehicle. Customers of Punch can choose to customize their vehicles with a host of rhythm and dazzle packs to best reflect their lifestyle. Further, customers will have an option of choosing these personas basis a wide color palette of 7 colors. In line with our digital first approach, we are introducing the virtual showroom for Tata Punch, where customers can experience the vehicle both in augmented reality or on our Imaginator platform starting today. Customers can select the personas of their choice and browse through all the customization options on these digital platforms. I'm very excited to announce that starting today, customers can book the Tata Punch on our website and also across our wide network of 1,000+ showrooms across the country with a booking amount of 20,000 rupees. Thank you all very much for being with us in this exciting product presentation. We can't wait to get the Tata Punch onto the roads. See you soon.